Hi everyone, I'm Neha and I'm back with a new tutorial this week. So today I'm going to be keeping or maybe considering a topic, which was a problem for me when I was uploading my videos and there was, an error saying that you cannot monetize your video just because whenever I was uploading any video, it was already getting marked that it's made for kids, and there is certain YouTube guidelines that if your video is made for kids, of course those videos cannot be you cannot monetize them. So you can definitely read about that guidelines. So let's say if you click on this, so it's not showing me, but I can definitely put a link in the description where you can follow that. So basically, if your video needs to be something which is not having kids, or maybe you're not promoting that video for the kids audiences. So I think, yeah, so this is the Children Online Privacy Protection Act. So according to this particular act, YouTube is liable not to let any video monetized if it is primarily made for the kids. So what was happening with me, that whenever I was uploading any video, I had to go and manually every time I have to update the setting that it's not made for kids so that I can monetize those videos. So if you're also facing the same issue and not sure how to kind of give a permanent fix to it, so here this video is actually for you guys. So this is one of the videos that I just opened just to showcase this, but otherwise you can always go to the settings from your main dashboard as well. So you have to click on settings, and on top of that there will be another point which is channel, and on channel you'll be able to see advanced settings, and here you'll be able to see that this is set. So yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. So but this was automatically set, to be honest. I never set this particular setting. So I'm sure if you're also facing the same issue, that's gonna be one of the major reasons. So what you have to do is you have to just click on no, set this channel as not made for kids, because I never. So please do set this option only when you are not your videos are not catering to the kids segment, and then afterwards you just have to click on save and you'll be done. So whenever next time you upload a video, you won't face such issues. So that's all in this video. Thank you guys. Keep sharing your feedback on the videos. I would love to take up any video ideas and record that whenever I get time. And if anybody of you is having any issues or require any kind of digital marketing assistance, do let me know. You can find my contact details from the dashboard, from my YouTube channel page itself. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.